How are you guys doing? She's smiling. Come on, say hi now. Hi guys, welcome to vlogmas 2. Make sure you watch, like and subscribe. Trust me, it's not like everything is top notch in this channel. Yeah, I trust my girl. I trust my girl. So I'm going to my auntie's house and I'll be there for like a week. So I'll see you guys when we get there, okay? Bye. Jesus Christ. See me and all my load. Are you shy? Hello. She's smiling.
Baby girl is smiling.
Why are you hiding? I'm already entered. She said she got to your house. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I woke up pretty early today. I woke up around 6. I had breakfast early. Then I went back to bed. I'm actually still in bed. I'm currently babysitting because that's what I came here to do. I don't come here to enjoy life. I came here to babysit. She's sleeping now, so I think we'll have some time to ourselves. Her mom has gone to the market to buy things. We want to make stew, rice and stew. And of course, like if I don't cook for you guys, this is how it's supposed to be road. So if you hear car horn, just ignore it. Yeah, if I don't cook for you guys in my vlogs, who will? Who will? Who will? So that's what we're going to do. I'm just chilling. Why I left, why I came down here, number one, to help my auntie with with her baby, to babysit for her. Number two, I had to leave that noisy environment. I had to leave it because like the noise was getting worse. I think the owner of that house wants to come back in December, for Christmas. So they are literally working day and night. Like in the night, one night I woke up at like 5 a.m. People were working. So the noise is too much now. So there's no way I can film or I can make videos for you guys there because the noise is too much. So I can't do that. You guys cannot be hearing that in all my videos this December. No way. No way. So that's the second reason why I moved here. Yeah, what's the third reason? Nothing, just to come here. And yes, she also has constant light. Yes, I'm not calculating when NEPA is going to bring lights, how many hours they're gonna keep the light. I'll see you guys when we're cooking. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. I just finished filming a couple of videos. And yeah, I'm arranging my space, arranging what I used to film. I'm just arranging everything, putting them back where they're supposed to be. So how are you guys doing? I'm going to go out later to buy water. Like very soon I'll go out to buy water. So what do you guys think of this look, this makeup look? You guys, the frustration, like honestly, when you actually want to sit down and do something useful and record, that is when they start making noise. Today's own was just something else. Phil is 2 months old today. Oh. We're doing birthday photo shoots. Cutie. Yes. Sorry. Guys, I'm probably the worst friend in the world. Today is my best friend's birthday and I forgot. I forgot. I'm going to call her now. I'll tell her I didn't forget. My battery died. I'll just lie one lie. Maybe when she watches this vlog, she's going to beef my life. But I'll be calling her. She'll not be picking. I hope that one is not vexed that she's vexing for me. But how can you forget your own best friend's birthday? Who am I? Who am I, you guys? Anyways, I want to eat though. I've not eaten since morning. And I'm always telling you guys I've not eaten since morning. But I've not eaten since morning, it's the truth. And it's almost 2 o'clock. You know that it's always around 2 o'clock I realize I've not eaten since morning. But yeah, I'm about to microwave rice and eat. Took off my lashes. It was, I don't know, something was just choking me in the thing. So I just removed it. I can't believe I forgot my best friend's birthday. I'm the worst. I'm the worst. What do you want? Tell us. What do you want? Why are you disturbing? Why are you disturbing? Why are you disturbing us? Kiss it by. You're seeing yourself, right? You can see yourself. You can see yourself. Yeah. Yeah. That's you. Yeah. Hey. Say bye. Bye, people. Say bye. Bye. Hey guys, so I want to weave my hair. I just combed it out. Combing it is becoming more difficult, so I just want to weave it because it's very due. Baby girl is there sleeping. So yeah, I want to weave my hair. You're cute. Come to my baby food. Guys, I'm about to make my favorite food, fried yam and eggs. Best food in the whole world. The whole wide world. I am
they use my product. And that's why this one. And that's why it glow. And the thing is, you can get it very affordable. I know scan to people.
The cutest mommy so far.
Yeah. Joy, what's that now?
So are we stopping under your breast? Have you just me? Until they under your armpits. Bad.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Well, ta-ta. You see my bag will bring you up.
Okay.
Look for conditioner. Look for conditioner on the App Store. It's a game for everyone.
It's just that one.
So you have to buy brand new car or generator. Or
You be family.
Yeah.
And join us.
Yeah.
you can and you go to Merry Christmas and
Give me
you
say
buy
bye.
presents.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for watching.
Mwah.